Good morning to all the children and parents. The following assignment dated 12th January 2021 is of class 2 for the subject of environmental studies. We are going to begin with a new lesson. Lesson number 13. Means of transport. Mrs. Inderjeet Mohan Kaur and Mrs. Charandeep Bhatti are the subject teachers. This voice is of Charandeep Bhatti. Lesson 13. Means of transport. So children, let us take up the first topic. The need for various means of transport. The vehicles that take or carry people from one place to another are called means of transport. We need means of transport to go to different places and carry things. There are 3 types of means of transport. The first one is land transport. Vehicles that move on land are called land transport. For example, a bicycle, auto rickshaw, bus, train. The next means of transport is water transport. Vehicles that move on water are called water transport. For example, boat, ship. The third means of transport is air transport. Vehicles that move in air are called air transport. For example, an aeroplane, a helicopter. Now children, let us take up another topic, that is how to choose a suitable means of transport. We choose means of transport according to our needs. Number 1. Distance to be travelled. 2. Money to be spent. 3. Time taken to travel. We walk or use a bicycle to go to places that are close by. We use scooters, motorbikes, cars or buses to travel to places that are further away. To go to other towns and cities, we travel by trains, or buses. Trains run on railway tracks and can carry many passengers and heavy things. It is also less expensive to travel by trains. We use ships and aeroplanes to go to other countries or travel across seas and oceans. Aeroplanes help us to travel long distances. At an airport, an aeroplane needs a long runway to take off from land. Aeroplanes are the most expensive means of transport. Now, let us take up another topic: means of transport in cities. In cities, there are some means of transport which are different from the ones found in towns and villages. People who live in the cities need to travel a lot for work or other purposes. Therefore, there are large number of vehicles available for transport. In some cities, metro trains along with buses, cars, scooters, auto rickshaws and taxis are found. Metro trains are very fast trains that run under or over the ground. They can carry many people at once. Now the next topic is fuels for different means of transport. Most vehicles need fuel to run. Petrol and diesel are the fuels that are used in most vehicles. They give out smoke which makes the air dirty. Some vehicles use other fuels like CNG. The full form is compressed natural gas. LPG. The full form is liquefied petroleum gas. And electricity. These do not make the air dirty or cause pollution. Now, very important topic that we are going to cover is problems caused by traffic. Have you ever come across people talking about traffic jams? Why do you think traffic jams happen? Traffic jams happen when many vehicles get crowded on the road at the same time. They are unable to move smoothly due to lack of sufficient space for the vehicles and they stop for a long time. Traffic jams also happen when people do not follow rules. Apart from the traffic jams, there are other problems that are caused by traffic. Vehicles that use fuels like petrol and diesel give out smoke that makes the air dirty and causes air pollution. Air pollution leads to breathing and other health problems. Vehicles also make a lot of noise, especially when people are blowing the horns of their vehicles. This leads to noise pollution. Noise pollution causes hearing problems. Now let us read about ways to save fuel and reduce pollution. It is important to save fuels like diesel and petrol because they will not be available for use once they get over. Pollution is harmful for all living beings. We should walk or use a bicycle to go to places that are close by. Use buses, trains, and metros which carry a lot of people at the same time. They are known as public transport. Try to use vehicles that run on CNG, LPG, or electricity as they do not cause pollution. Follow traffic rules to avoid traffic jams. We should not blow the horns of vehicles when not required. Switch off the engine while waiting for the traffic signals to turn green. Plant trees because they help to keep the air clean. Carpooling is two or more people sharing a vehicle to go to one place. We can help to reduce the number of vehicles on the road by carpooling. So children, read the above chapter thoroughly and let us do the following exercise. A. Choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash, run under or over the ground in some metro cities. The options are A. Ships, B. Metro trains, and C. Helicopters. So children, we will tick mark metro trains and write down in the blank. Number 2. Vehicles that run on dash give out smoke that makes the air dirty. The options are A. Petrol, B. LPG, and C. Electricity. So children, we will tick mark petrol and write down petrol in the blank. Number 3. Dash pollution causes hearing problems. The options are A. Air, B. Land, and C. Noise. So the correct answer is noise, C. So tick mark C and write down noise in the blank. Number 4. We take a dash to go to other towns and cities by land. The options are A. Boat, B. Train, and C. Bicycle. So the answer is B. Train. So children, tick mark and write down train in the blank. Number 5. Dash carry a lot of people at the same time. Options are A. Cars, B. Scooters, and C. Buses. So children, the correct answer is C. Buses. So children, you will write down buses in the blank. With this, we end this interactive session. Thank you and have a nice day.